In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Wix full-width slider. Start by opening your Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left side menu and click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. This is where Wix keeps the design tools and content blocks that you can place on your page. After that, look for the section called Full-Width Slideshows. This area includes slideshow layouts that are designed to span across the page and work well for banners, featured images, or homepage sections. Take a moment to browse the available options and choose the template that best fits the style of your site. When you find one you like, either click it or drag it directly onto your page. Wix will place the slideshow into your layout so you can begin adjusting it. Make sure it is positioned in the section of the page where you want visitors to see it most clearly, since full-width sliders are usually used to create a strong visual first impression. Next, click on the slideshow element itself. This is important because it activates the controls for that specific item. Once the slideshow is selected, look for the stretch icon. It looks like two arrows pointing outward. Click that icon to open the width settings for the slideshow. In the settings that appear, make sure the toggle for stretch to full width is turned on. This tells Wix to expand the slideshow across the entire width of the browser window instead of keeping it within the standard page boundaries. If your goal is a true full-width slider, this setting needs to be enabled. You may also notice options for adjusting the left and right margins. This part is optional. If you want the slideshow to touch the edges of the screen completely, leave both margins set to 0. That will give you the cleanest full-width effect. If you prefer a little spacing on the sides, you can increase those margins slightly to create a subtle border. Once that is done, your Wix full-width slider should be set up and stretched properly across the page. It is a simple adjustment, but it can make your website look much more modern and visually polished. That covers everything you need to know.